I mean, the provolone didn't fit the exact size, but I don't care.
Here's another Italian-American recipe that Chicago has claimed as their own. A very popular sandwich mostly enjoyed during Lent and springtime. The egg and pepper sandwich is believed to have been created in the late 19th century to early 20th century. And you can usually get them at your local Italian beef shop, each with their own little twists. But today, we're making it at home. This sandwich is made by caramelizing onions and peppers, usually bell peppers, although we are mixing both cubanelle and bell peppers together. And you can adjust the ratio of eggs and peppers to onions to your liking. We whisked 4 eggs, seasoned them with salt and pepper, and served them on French bread with provolone cheese. We tried adding the pepper to the cooked eggs first, but cooking the eggs in the pepper works as well. We also noticed that if you remove some of the bread in the middle, you can comfortably nest your eggs inside.
Alright, let's take a bite out of this. Let's see. Pretty good. Like the sweet peppers really add a little nice bit of sweetness, and also the onions, right? Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is good. Like the bread being a bit bigger works better because you get more of the egg, and you also get to take out some of the bread so that everything fits better, and you get a better egg to bread ratio. It's good. I recommend it.